Hello and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Chainlink versus Tezos, kind of what I'm doing from a portfolio perspective, what I expect in these two coins, why I'm excited about both projects, and kind of the pros and the cons to holding more in one and more in the other. I did a little bit of a poll on my Twitter the other day and asked people whether they hold more Tezos or Chainlink. Tezos won, but barely by 2%. So really people are pretty evenly distributed between them. And a lot of people are saying that they hold equal amounts of both of them. So that's kind of why that inspired this video today, is to kind of further expand upon that. By the way, you guys, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel as well as hitting that like button for me right now so I can get 200 likes on this video. I have a personal goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers, and I upload 5 videos weekly just like this one today so you guys can stay updated and posted in the markets. I do tons and tons of free content, but I also provide a VIP course. Yesterday, I did a 50% sale, and a lot of people didn't actually see the video until today. So some of those same people were asking to get into the VIP, so I am going to go ahead and extend that sale out for the rest of today. So you'll be saving over $1,000 on the lifetime, $500 on the 1 year, and $2,500 on the Elliott Wave Power Series, which is by far the most detailed course because it comes with all of the other ones as well as my new Elliott Wave Power Series. So check those out. Make sure that you direct message me. When you click on this, you will get more information about the VIP. And you can just message me to get the prices of those discounts, and I will go ahead and give you the addresses to get in. I have it set up private and direct like this because I really don't want to make this overfilled. This is kind of exclusive content, and so therefore, it's on a direct basis. So you guys need to message me either on Discord, links are in the description to join the free Discord, or email me via my email. So without further ado, let's get straight into the Chainlink and Tezos analysis. So Chainlink and Tezos are both coins that I expect to do extremely well in the next cycle. They are some of the coins that are performing very well and have been performing well since the beginning of 2019. Chainlink has actually broken out quite significantly. And since the 2018 kind of bear market that everybody was really scared of in crypto, Chainlink has already done 3,000%. So if you would have put like $1,000 into that, you would have had $30,000, you guys, in the period of a couple of years. So that's really amazing. Now, a lot of people got really scared and thought this was the top, and they're thinking that Chainlink is dead. Well, don't believe the FUD, you guys. This is the first sell-off of a market cycle. This is by far not done going up on the upside. We're going to see a lot of growth in Chainlink. Now, Tezos is also one that's done very well since 2019. 2018 was an ABC corrective pattern for it. So you guys will learn this in the Elliott Wave Power Series and also the basics of Elliott Waves in the Lifetime Series that I just talked about. You guys, I spent a lot of time over the past 5 years learning all the different strategies, trying tons and tons of different patterns, buying courses, reading books, and I really consolidated it into the best knowledge in those courses. So you're going to want to make sure you check those out. You know, you guys can go learn all this stuff on the internet for free, but it's going to take you a long time versus just accelerating that process with the VIP areas. And so this ABC corrective wave pattern is part of Elliott Wave theory, and it's a really bullish signal. You want to buy at the bottom of a C wave. And to properly count that, there's a few techniques that we use, but this is definitely a completely valid ABC corrective wave. And then this, for me, in Tezos is our first wave. So this is all a 1 and a 2 wave. Now, in Elliott Waves, you have waves inside of waves, so which basically just means you can also count a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up in that pattern. So Tezos looks very, very bullish. One of the things that I like about the MACD, this is a moving average. Convergence divergence is basically what it means. It's an indicator. Indicators are just things you can add to the chart to see more information about where it's going to go. And this indicator right here is oversold, meaning that prices are oversold. It's undervalued. People are panicking and they oversold in the market, which almost always results in prices going quite higher. So Chainlink and Tezos, for me, I actually agree with the hypothesis of holding 50-50 in both of them. I do have a little bit more Tezos than Chainlink, but that's just currently. In the future, I might end up balancing them completely evenly. And really the reason that I'm so excited about these two coins is these are the ones that are leading the altcoin markets. They've shown the most strength since 2018, since 2019. Chainlink has shown the most strength the earliest. It was really trending up even a lot in 2018. There was some downward movement in 2018, but there was some upward movement as well. So it's really established its uptrend a little bit earlier than even Tezos did. But they've both established a nice, strong uptrend. Now, just like this is an ABC corrective wave down, you guys, you have to zoom into the market a little bit and look at what happened right here. This is an ABC corrective wave down as well. And so that ABC corrective wave results in a new market cycle, a new Elliott wave pattern. See, just like how this ABC corrective wave resulted in a new market cycle up. We had an ABC correction, boom, we started shooting up in value right after. And see, ABC correction, boom, started shooting up in value. Now, I think we're going to get well above this resistance here. And my buddy over at DIY Investing, Donovan, he has shown how Tezos actually almost looks identical to the Amazon chart. So could you imagine investing in Amazon before it did thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of percent and became one of the biggest companies in the world? And so that's kind of interesting that Tezos looks a lot like Amazon in its cycles. Now, also, we have Chainlink. We can kind of zoom in right here, and we can find another ABC correction in Chainlink as well. This was the 2018 kind of correction where everybody was scared, and that was our ABC corrective wave, and that was the beginning of the new cycle with Chainlink. And you can see we really started impulsing quite hard. Now, this recent dip in crypto, we actually made another ABC. This is an expanded flat. You can learn more about that in the Elliott Wave Power Series. It basically means the B wave can legally extend above the zero wave right here, and it's still a valid ABC, and now we're starting an upward trend again. So both of these coins look really, really good, you guys, and from a long-term investing standpoint, these are fire. And in fact, it's only, a handful of times that you get opportunities as good as these coins in your investing career to purchase coins with these setups, with how much percentage gain they will do it and how fast they will go up. So I'm really, really hyped about Chainlink and Tezos. I think that both of them are going to blow people's minds. Both of them are definitely going to get past their all-time high. For Chainlink, the all-time high is $4.80. For Tezos, our all-time high is $11. And so if you're talking about Tezos going past its all-time high, and I'm not going to say exactly how fast it will get there, but it will be way faster than all of you expect. That's 300% gains, and that's just the beginning of the new cycle, because once you break a all-time high level, you're in price discovery. For Chainlink, when it breaks its all-time high, that's only 25%, but that's going straight into price discovery mode because it's never been above these prices right here. And when markets go into price discovery mode, they go very, 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 very parabolic. They just continue to trend very strongly on the upside. So let me go ahead and pull up a TradingView chart here, because I actually want to show you Amazon and give you an idea of what happens when coins or stocks, in this case a stock, breaks its previous all-time high and really just starts going parabolic and makes for a ton of upside gains and profit. So let me just get this Amazon chart up for you guys. Yeah, Chainlink and Tezos, these are fire coins. I honestly am so hyped about these two coins, as well as Digibyte and some of the other coins I've been talking about on my channel. Like I said, you guys, I do a lot of free content. I You can make a lot of money off the free stuff. And as you start making money off the free stuff, then you can get into the VIP and really accelerate your learning. There's a ton of new members getting in right now because they see the opportunity. They're already starting to profit off of the signals. And it's super exciting to be making money along with you guys. But I do giveaways on here too, $50 free giveaways. I'll probably do another one soon. We just found the winner just the other day. So shout out to Scott for winning that $50 giveaway. There's a ton of opportunity on the free stuff. And as you guys build your portfolios up, you can invest in the VIP. Right, so this is Amazon, and this is actually one of the calls that I made in the VIP recently. A lot of people were kind of scared of Amazon and where the prices were going to go after we made this dip from 2,100 down to here. But then I made a VIP call saying that we'd go to 2,300, so that's why we still have this up here, and that came to be true. We went all the way up to 2,300 here with Amazon. But let me go ahead and show you what I mean by breaking a previous all-time high. So this setup reminds me a lot of Tezos. This is one of the setups that, like I said, my buddy DIY Investing was sharing on his channel as well. And you guys can see here, look at that. We have an ABC corrective wave, and then we start trending up to the all-time high. We do that same little ABC correction that Tezos did halfway. You can look back over at Tezos here. This is that little ABC that we were talking about. Here's that corrective wave from the start. And then this right here is the correction that we just barely experienced in Tezos, is this ABC correction right here. And that ABC corrective wave is the same as this ABC corrective wave. Now, as we start to get up to the B wave and as we start to break all-time high, look what happened to Amazon as we did break that all-time high. First of all, the pullbacks were tiny along the way up. There was no real pullback, teeny little pullbacks. Everybody thinks the crypto markets are going to shake out right here. We're not going to have a big shakeout, you guys. We're going to start trending up. And then look what happens as you start to break that previous all-time high. The markets just go crazy after that. They just continually trend up and up and up. So that's what I'm expecting with Tezos. I expect Chainlink to do a very similar thing as it breaks its all-time high, just extreme price discovery. So that's kind of why I'm holding these two coins. I hold more Tezos than Link, but I will probably be balancing as the opportunities arise between the two. So I really appreciate you guys tuning into today's video. Make sure that you check out the video I made about Stellar Lumens and the video I made about Digibyte, because those are a couple free videos you guys can learn from and get a ton of value and start making money in the markets. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Again, hit that like button for me as well as subscribing. Again, the discount is only going to last for today so that you can get upwards of $2,500 off, over $1,000 off on the lifetime, and over $500 off on the 1 year. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in tomorrow's updates. As always, stay profitable out there.